Okay, the bulb inside this microwave has gone, which is really inconvenient because you can't see what's cooking inside. So this is a combined microwave cum oven. So it's a microwave, it's an all singing, all dancing, it can grill, it can microwave, it's an oven. Yeah, so it's quite a good oven. It's by Bosch, it's called the Bosch Gourmet. Very nice combination oven. So what we need to do is change the bulb. Very simple job. So I've unscrewed the brackets that help hold it in. There's some brackets underneath that stop it from sliding out. They're here. They were screwed in there, one on each side, so I've removed those with a normal screwdriver. These, on top of the microwave there's a little hatch. It's a special head that you need. It's like a spline socket. If you've got a set of them, just make sure you find which one does the job. So unscrew those. So unscrew them. Lift off the hatch. Remember which way it goes. Okay, so I'll just put that one there. And there's a bulb inside. So I'll just unscrew that bulb. Okay, there's a bulb, and it's obviously popped. It's got a brass screw thread. That's how you know it's an oven bulb. So I'll just take that one out. I've got another one here. And replace that with that. Screw that in. So nice and easy. Screw that one in. I mean, this microwave's over 10 years old, this microwave oven, so it's lasted well. And then put these screws back in. So all in all, quite a simple job. Just screw those back in, like so. Let's have a quick look. There we go. It's working now. That's brilliant. So there you go. Just a little tip on how to change a bulb on the Bosch Gourmet combination oven microwave. Okay, thanks for watching.